Okay, we had some questions regarding this Xtreme with the veranda. So we thought we'll do a quick recording. Here's Jose. He's got the remote, am I right? So it works on the remote as well. There's also buttons inside.
Yes.
All right, so he's with the remote, gonna lower it. So the idea is that you have this beautiful veranda where you can sit outside. So electrical actuators that lower and raise this veranda. They get adjusted a little bit. And then you have these doors that lock in. End tables. You can open this entire unit up. So the vehicle's here just for some repairs and some maintenance. It is now 8 years old. So we did this 8 years ago. And there's your veranda. And there's an entire camper on the inside with the bathroom and the kitchen. Once we've done some maintenance, maybe I'll do a walkthrough of this one. This is a bit of a short, so you can see how it works.